Hi, I'm Philip, and Ninja reached out to me to help introduce you to the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven. This powerful countertop oven can deliver family-sized meals, fast, without compromising performance. With Ninja's exclusive True Surround Convection, you can cook evenly on 2 levels so that there's no rotating or swapping of pans required. Unlike other countertop ovens, this oven not only has heating elements on the top and bottom, but there's a third zone of heat, hidden around the fan, which helps make the cooking truly surround. It also has up to 10 times the convection power compared to a traditional full-size convection oven. And for you that means faster, crispier, and more even cooking on 2 levels. I love entertaining, and the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven makes cooking so easy for me. I can make appetizers, fit a large protein and vegetables in separate racks for dinner, and make a 2-layer cake, all in the same appliance. And everything comes out cooked evenly. No rotating or swapping of pans, no flipping the food required. I can enjoy hanging out with my friends and guests and don't have to worry about messing with the food while I'm cooking. And check out its versatility. This 10-in-1 oven has me covered no matter what's on the menu. Whole roast, air fry, bake, dehydrate, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, and reheat. Once I choose my function, the digital rack guide shows me the optimal placement for the food. When entertaining, I can choose maximum capacity. Cooking for just me, I can just leave it at 1 level. Pressing the 2-level button changes the digital rack guide to show me the best placement for cooking on both levels. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook up some chicken wings. This particular recipe is for the cilantro lime wings, and you can find the marinade recipe in the inspiration guide that comes with your oven. To start, divide the wings between the air fry basket and the Ninja roasting tray, nested inside the Ninja sheet pan. Make sure that the wings are not crowding each other. We're using both for a few reasons. The air fry basket allows hot air to reach all sides of the food. However, when you cook foods with oil and marinades, like these chicken wings, you'll want to ensure that you have something to catch any oil or juices. This helps avoid anything dripping onto the heating elements, which can sometimes cause smoke. This combination of accessories helps the air circulate around the food. Plus, because we're catching the juice and grease, it makes cleanup much easier. If you only want to make 1 batch of wings, it's best to use the roast tray and sheet pan, since that would catch all of the drippings. Next, remove the top wire rack, as this is where the air fry basket will eventually slide in, and leave the other wire rack in the unit to hold the pan with the roasting tray. The rack guide indicates that for this function, rails on level 2 and 4 will be used. Then, set the temperature to 390 degrees and set the timer for 40 minutes. The Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven has a 90-second preheat. So rather than waiting 10 to 15 minutes for a typical oven to preheat, you can start cooking in just seconds. Once the unit has finished preheating, the indicator will turn off and the unit will beep. The clock then will immediately start counting down. Place the pan and roast tray on the rack that is on level 2, and then slide in the air fry basket onto rails of level 4. If you miss the super fast preheat, you can easily adjust the time by hitting the plus time button. As a reminder, the magic of this unit is behind its convection power. That means this thing cooks your food fast, and it will likely require you getting used to its speed. I recommend when you're first getting started to check on your food often. You can do so by clicking this light. Once your wings are complete, you'll hear a beep when the timer goes off. Carefully remove the air fry basket and the tray using oven mitts. Thanks to the Ninja Foodi XL Pro Air Oven, I have plenty of crispy wings to share with my friends.